जितना डालो उतना डबल इससे कुमार है उन्होंने भी इन्वेस्ट किया
वो भी कुमार से लेना उन्होंने भी इन्वेस्ट किया था यानी उनके पास
गाड़ी है बंगला है अच्छा सब है
उन्होंने भी इन्वेस्ट किया है इसमें बंगला है गाड़ी है
इसका नाम उसका सीधा डबल है तेरा वादा
लाइफ एकदम सेट हो
हमको सब कुछ है आज दुनिया में आज रेट में बस क्या नहीं
कुमार कौन है
सब कुमार वो कुमार साहब ये
कहीं सुनी पर यकीन न करें पैसे इन्वेस्ट करने से पहले खुद जांचिए परखिए फिर इन्वेस्ट कीजिए सही हर इन्वेस्टर की ताकत
कोई कुमार इन दिस रूम नहीं like you know after me I think Savya is very good at stock market. How many of you would like to get the tips from Savya now? I'm sure each of you, right? But you know, मेरा ख्याल से like when I meet thousands of people, जो भी आदमी बहुत रिच हो गया, I have not heard somebody tips के साथ मैं रिच हुआ हूँ, but मुझे एक चीज पता है 10 साल के सिप किया वो रिच तो हो गया, सिप के साथ रिच हो सकते हैं, not टिप के साथ. And tips भी लीजिए Savya से, I'm sure Savya is good at stock selection. I was talking about after GDP, your goals, your dreams and your plans, your life goal planning. And you know ये काफी confusing हो गया. Then you know what is that investment vehicle you can need, which is a simple, which is more effective, and which can solve your financial goals. Nothing to worry about the stock markets, but it can give you the benefit of stock market. एक चीज होता है mutual fund. Mutual fund roads may be rough or like you know riding may be tough, but there is a fund manager who can take care of that stock price and you know market volatility, and you can be rest assured you can relax and drive through to reach your goals. The mutual fund works like we all individual investors, we give money to the mutual fund and fund management team. The fund manager will invest करता है security selection and capital, and whatever the appreciation and dividend is coming, it will come back to the investor. It is after reduction of expenses statutorily. It is the process is simple. We all give our money to the mutual funds, and mutual fund manager will invest based on the investment strategy of the fund, and he will take the capability on the risk assessment and deploy the funds into the various securities, and he will give return back to the investor. That is mutual funds में आप इसके पहले 20% of the people raise the hand. आपने जितने लोग liquid fund में invest किया है, maybe 2, 3, 4 of us, we think always mutual funds is equity. Mutual funds but equity schemes, which is usually for long term, but mutual funds also got hybrid schemes, which is balanced funds which invests in equity and debt, and then you have a debt schemes which are short term. I think you know which I think Savya was talking about liquid funds. Liquid funds, why you need to invest, it made my job much more easier. And there is a mutual fund scheme for every need. It is a short term deposits, a long term, and which is the stability of capital. Longer you stay, potential to grow is higher. It is a and I think you know mutual funds again you need to invest depending on your goal duration. Shorter the goal duration, you come to the liquid space and debt space. Longer the duration, you come to the equity space. And within equity, you have various funds. And mutual funds typically we all understand how banks will work. We go to bank for our current account. Current account में आपको कितना मिलता है? अभी कितना देता है? I think that's a question which has come from Savya's presentation, first slide. Current account में what is the interest you get? 0, fantastic. And you have a savings account? 4 से 6%, some banks are 6%. And fixed deposit, शायद 8%, recurring deposit, loans and shares. And you know एक interesting figure है. Recurring deposit 1964 से now, I think today in the country we have 29 crores of RD accounts. And ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 8% return मिलता है और taxable भी है. And you know we all 29 crores have invested. And the worst ever, you know, the underperforming scheme of the mutual fund, if you have invested for the last 20 years, SIP into the equity fund, which has given little over 12%. And the best performing fund has given 24%. Means, you know, it has given 50% more to the recurring deposit. But today we have only 80 lakhs of SIP accounts. That's where I think I congratulate ET Gurukul to take the financial literacy to every town. We are driving in the park. And we go to the bank to take the loan, and we go to the bank for the demand. And if I replace this bank with a mutual fund को समझना काफी आसान हो जाएगा. Mutual fund से ले लो the current account, put it into the liquid fund. Liquid fund even for a day, it will earn money for you. Even putting your money for a day, it's as easy as that. And even for a day, you can make money for it, and your money is working hard for you. In fact, you know, I have a friend of mine who is a doctor in Narayan Hridayalaya in Bangalore, and he is a heart surgeon. and we always debate. हम दोनों ने साथ we traveled to Manas Sarovar 2 years before, and he was telling me, डॉक्टर साहब ने बता रहा था कि तो मेरा 50 से 60,000 रुपए मेरा बैंक अकाउंट में पड़ा होता है. Then after a year, then I told him, why don't you transfer to the liquid fund? 1 year he was very busy doctor, and he does little over 18 to 20 operations a day. And after 1 year, then I told him next time when I was asking him, I asked him, Dr. Saab, it's Mr. Egde, Mr. Egde, I have a request. Next month आप ड्राइवर को कितना सैलरी पे करते हो? मैंने बोला है 12,000 रुपए. अगले महीने से आपका ड्राइवर का सैलरी मैं पे करने वाला हूँ. उनको काफी गुस्सा आ गया. How can you pay for my driver? मैंने बोला है नहीं, आपके पैसे जो 50,000 है वो बैंक से निकाल के लिक्विड फंड में दीजिए मुझे SBI अकाउंट से. तो डिफरेंस आता है आपके ड्राइवर का कॉस्ट को मिल जाता है. That's the kind of money which you always can earn. And the liquid fund, and you come savings banks and short-term debt funds, and which can definitely be superior to the savings bank, which is 4% to the 8% kind of it, which is the short-term debt funds today give over 8%, and income fund and dynamic bond funds for instead of fixed deposits, and instead of recurring deposits, SIP is the best way to invest, and lean is you can take the loan against the mutual fund units, and you can get equity funds and community funds. Mutual fund is typically a bank for you can carry in your home, and it is a true one instrument for financial planning. And best part of mutual fund, a liquid है. आपके पैसे कल अगर से today you are putting into the liquid fund, कल चाहिए आपको पैसे before 3 o'clock you can give a notice to the fund house, or you go online and give a redemption. It will be available tomorrow morning. Money is credited to your account. As simple as that. It's one day notice. Even equity money is coming to you T+3. Third day money is coming to you. And it's a convenience, easy to redeem and easy to withdraw and easy to invest. And it's a risk diversification. Child mutual funds are the best way to risk diversify करने के लिए, because this is invested into the portfolio of stocks. Like for example, when you directly invest into the stock market, there is always a possibility you may not get the right stock. If you are a right investor, you get into the right fund. If you are sometimes wrong, you go to a script which is very bad. Like again I said my Bangalore से आया हूँ. Bangalore में when we go morning park, morning walk per park, ऐसी कहानी होता है. Like people will ask, how are you to answer? Like Ram Ram sir, people will not say I am very good health. If he is good, he says how is your life? My life is like Infosys. And if he is having a bad day yesterday, how is your life? He says my life is like Kingfisher. When you are getting into the stock market, you have a choice. If you get Infosys, you are happy. If you get a Kingfisher, you are gone. Whereas in mutual fund, you come, even if you hold Kingfisher, you can get out before Kingfisher dilemma happens. Even if you are holding small percentage, it will not impact your portfolio. There is a risk diversification. And the flexibility, mutual funds, you can move from one scheme to other, one asset class to other. I think asset allocation के बारे में Savia का was spoken that. And mutual funds, but the best of thing is transparency. Where you have invested, when you have, and NAV is available to you every day. What is NAV? Net asset value. And when you are investing, the value of what is the value you are investing, tomorrow it is. But आपके लिए दो kind of NAV होना चाहिए. एक NAV हम publish करते हैं, sometimes it is dangerous, but you see NAV every day, then you see your BP graph going up. Don't look at that. One NAV once you are investing net asset value. After investing, till the time you withdraw for your goal, that is another NAV that is never available value for you. So that NAV should be never available value, so that your money can always grow, right? And that's the transparency, that's the beauty of it. And it's a well regulated. Mutual funds are regulated by the SEBI. SEBI is considered to be the globally top rated regulator today. And there is no mutual fund company. Mutual funds have started in the year 1965 in this country. There is no mutual fund has closed down its shop and went up where customer has lost money. There is no case, even globally. And mutual funds, you have a benefit is tax benefits. There are only two incomes in the country are most tax efficient. One is your agriculture income. Second is your investment into the equity. After 1 year, it's tax free to you. You get the best of the both worlds. And tax benefits on various things. You have a capital gains, you have tax free dividends on equity. Of course, we have a booklet which is given to you where the tax benefits are there in that book which we have called GDP, your life planning book. And diversification is the less risk. This is a small AV from SEBI. Let us have a look. I think I got a signal to close. I mean, another 5 minutes. He takes back, and it's diversifying is how you can utilize. It is like Mera Pitaji when I was in school, मैं दूसरा गाँव जाया he used to give me 20 rupees. And always he used to have a habit of giving 5 rupees notes code. And you know, we used to have those 2 pockets in the top and 2 pockets at the bottom. And he used to keep us 5 years. I used to ask my father, Dad, why are you doing this? No, बेटा अगर से बस में कोई ये 5 रुपये निकला तो आपके पास 15 रुपये तो बचे हैं. This diversification का. This is a similar to that concept. I think there is a problem with the system. And it's like, you know, your investment, I said, it's like a life, it's a journey. Investments also should match your life journey. It's like, it could be a 1 year, you need money for various, it could be a festival, it could be a 3 years, after foreign holiday or somewhere you need money, or it could be a 15 years for your child education or for a goal, or it could be a 20-40 years after peaceful retirement. You cannot park your money into your wrong vehicle. For example, today we are traveling, I mean, you know, I came from Bangalore, Gaurav came from Mumbai, and you know, Soumya has come from Delhi. We have used the flights from various destinations to reach here. Some of you are here, you have used your 4-wheelers to come over here. And from here to go back to my Rampur Palace, I can't use the flight. I have to use the car or I have to use the 2-wheeler. You need to use the right vehicle for right destination. It is like if I go to the market, I use my cycle, and I can't use the aeroplane. And you know, same thing the investment vehicles. If you need for 1 year, park your money into the liquid funds or cash funds. Or if it is a 3 years, park your money into the FMPs or the debt funds. Or if it is a 15 years, use the balance funds or the equity funds. Or 40 years, I can say equity, only equity. I think you know that each investment will serve the purpose. And if it is all confusing, the best thing is get a good friend who can guide you. He can be your financial advisor. A professional advisor can always help you to reach your destination. शायद ये आपका पैसा और आपका लाइफ एक फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस क्या होता है? It will enhance the value of the money and enhance the quality of your life. You get a right financial advisor, and it's mutual fund में निवेश करने के लिए right way या wrong way नहीं है, but recommended way होता है SIP. I have a small AV to explain on SIP.
I really like Divya यार.
हाँ तो मैसेज हो सर. कॉफी करो कुछ. Good idea.
ये तो आप मानोगे कि कल के ये सुस्त तरीके आपको अपनी मंजिल तक समय पर नहीं पहुंचा सकते. फिर इन सुस्त तरीकों में इन्वेस्टमेंट क्यों? SIP से इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्ट करें ताकि सही समय पर अपनी मंजिल पा सकें. लॉग ऑन टू जानो.
Changing times, probably we need to change the way we invest to reach those destinations. And every journey begins with a small step. चाहे छोटा सा कदम, वो पहला कदम क्यों शुरू नहीं किए? But series of small steps consist. The mutual fund SIP is one small step. Month on month, regularly you are investing into the investing through mutual funds into the markets so that you get the benefit of the stock market, benefit of the wealth creation, and lesser the risk and the diversification of the risk. Small steps for the big return is a brick by brick. And I think Savya said some mantras. I also talk about some mantras to close, to wind up, it's like to conclude. It's like simple to become rich. The wealth creation can happen only when you put your goals and put a value to those goals. When you want to achieve, how you want to achieve, that will automatically take place. And make a plan even if it is very simple. I know you want to make very complicated plan. It is always, complication makes us very comfortable. But simple plan will make you rich. Don't make it complicated. Make your life simple. I also believe if you want to invest directly into the stock market, yes, you can invest, but you need to look at every day. BSE Sensex, I think my friend Raju will talk to you later. Sensex versus your ECG graph, which one is growing fast? You need not worry about when you come to the mutual funds. Start now, there is always there is nothing called doing good things a better time and wrong time. Every time is a better time to start some good things. You can start now, there has never been a better time. And invest regularly, not that one time. Like we keep telling when you go to the new, all of us in the new year, I have seen, I come from a small my childhood was in a small town called Hyderabad, and I always used to see on the 1st of January, there is a lake called Hussain Sagar, and there is a Lord Buddha's in between that lake, and I used to see thousands of people running on 1st of January, and it's a fantastic to see. And by 10th of January, the thousands will come off of it. By 15th of January, 1/3, and by 26th January on the Republic Day, only Buddha was public, everyone is at home. And that is the kind of goals we will have, not 365 days to run. It is and it's like, we always say healthy habits. You need to change the habit. Just get out from the old habit, get into the new habit, replace with it. And it's a financially fit. Physically fit ke liye you always talk. And for good health, you say apple a day keeps you doctor away. Or 4 spoons of dry fruits keeps the fatigue away. And for financially fit, you need to invest regularly. It is not habit for one, just for one day.
आज मिस्टर चैटर्जी अपनी पहली मॉर्निंग वॉक से विजय लौटे और बोले
फर्स्ट डे वेरी गुड।
फिर वजन चेक किया और कहा
ये तो तभी टूटा यार।
ये तो आप मानोगे कि इतनी जल्दी रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिलते, पर यही बात अगर मैं आपको इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में कहूँ तो आप मानोगे? मान जाएंगे। अच्छे रिटर्न्स पाने के लिए टाइम दीजिए।
You need to invest for long, not for one day. And it's always when we go to the bank deposit and put for 5 years, we don't even think for it. But if you are investing in a mutual fund or stock market, I am sure long term is one day. And you will call next day morning, what is my NAV? Please don't do that. And sometimes one day is very longer time. I know the investors after 1 hour they will call, not for the mutual funds, it is the stock market. Kya bhao ho gaya abhi? Please get away from that. And money is not, you can keep some money to have a passion to do that, but rest of the money can make the money. Diversify your investments, don't put it one. And remembering, there is a risk in every investment. There is nothing called there is no risk. And it's the biggest risk is not taking the risk at all. And I think crossing the road in Jaipur is equally risky. It's like going to honeymoon to some countries like Afghanistan is always risky. Only one of us will come back, not both of us. And finally, all good plans and investments, you needed time and patience. These are the 2 important things, or time in the market and discipline.
आज उसने मेहरा का बेटा मैथ्स में फेल हो गया, इसीलिए वो सीधे गए शहर के बेस्ट ट्यूशन टीचर के पास और बोले
तो अब ये कल से टॉप करेगा।
ये तो हम मानोगे कि इतनी जल्दी रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिले, लेकिन अगर मैं यही बात आपसे इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड्स के लिए कहूँ तो आप मानोगे? मान जाइए, अच्छे रिटर्न्स पाने के लिए टाइम दीजिए।
The best thing is to put time in the market and discipline and patience. It is you have to keep continuing. And I think 2016 is very soon, maybe 15 days down the line. We are there. I mean, it's I think 13, 14 days down the line. Let the new year be a wonderful new year. Make resolutions, not like my Hyderabadi friends who will do for 15 days and go back and Buddha will be public. You become Buddha inside. Become a Buddha outside and do the resolutions, which you can use. This new year resolution is, I will use volatility. Market is volatile, but it's an opportunity to create wealth and invest to the mutual funds through volatility to control. And definitely practice the dictum. Time in the market is more important, not the timing the market. Let the New Year resolution will be religiously stick to the asset allocation where my friend Savia spoke to you, and work towards retirement early, not retiring from the life, but let your money work for you so that you can retire the life peacefully passing on the wealth. Yesterday I met one old lady in Bangalore and she was telling to me she got 12 grandchildren but she got 10 crores to pass on. Beta main kaisa karu? I said, Mami, no, why you want to give to the grandchildren? My children are very wealthy, my grandchildren need to remember me because after 3 generations they will pass on to someone. Then I said to her, how she can fit into this. That is the kind of life I want each one of you to live. When you are retiring, don't pass on to your children but your grandchildren. Unlike our politicians who give for 7 generations, you need to give for at least 3 generations. And I will create an emergency fund. I think emergency fund ke baare mein Gaurav will talk to us. And I will not stop my SIPs in the lifetime. It is like, take that 6. And I will not get into unnecessary peer pressure. When investing in the mutual funds, don't get into the peer pressure. Don't look at your neighbors. You have invested for your goals, not for your others' goals. You need to look. Your life is beautiful. Your wife is beautiful. Somebody's life. And I always believe, Gaurav will always say, when you are doing financial planning, do involve your wife so that your life will become better. Then I told Gaurav then that if you are involving financial planning your wife, that is wealth invited forever. Your life will become better. That is LIFE, living in financial empowerment. Do involve your wife for that. And thank you so much for the patience. And SIP save invest and faster. Thank you so much. And I'm sorry, I don't know. He is always having a complaint that I have given 25 minutes to you. You have taken 35 minutes. My side say account. My talking time is 25 minutes. 10 minutes I played videos. You have to exclude that. After me, any case, we have a better speaker, Gaurav Bhai, and thank you so much for the patience hearing. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Like always, you make me look like the evil timekeeper. Anyway, thanks again for your insightful words, sir. I would like to introduce our next speaker for the evening, who hails from the financial capital of the country, Mr. Rajiv Garg, DGM and Regional Head, North, BSE. Mr. Rajiv Garg has over 14 years of work experience with BSE, having credit of setting up Delhi Regional Office of BSE from scratch to multifunctional investor service center. Mr. Garg has immense expertise in investor grievance handling, clearing settlement, risk management, and functioning of the stock exchange. He also has in-depth product knowledge of equity and currency derivatives, mutual funds, and various products process of stock trading and exchanges. He has participated in more than 500 seminars and workshops for investors for training members, management institutes, university departments, college institutes like ICAI, ICSI, PhD, and other associations. Let's welcome him with a round of applause.
Good evening, friends. First, I would like to thank ET Money Gurukul, and I feel privileged to be a part of this event. My esteemed speakers and the co-panelists have already discussed. I have nothing left for discussion, but as part of my duty and job, I have to speak something. Because I keep learning from them, I have done more than 500 such seminars. पिछले 10-12 साल में 500-600 ऐसे इवेंट में अटेंड कर चुका हूँ. बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत बढ़िया ज्ञान मिलता है आधे घंटे के लिए. आधा घंटा बहुत अच्छे से सुनते हैं, ताली बजाते हैं, सब सुनते हैं. अगले दिन मेरा काम रोज ट्रेडिंग रूम में बैठना है. बड़े बड़े ब्रोकर्स के ट्रेडिंग रूम, डीलिंग रूम में मैं नेक्स्ट डे बैठता हूँ. वही कुछ लोग इन्वेस्टर भी वहाँ भी मिल जाते हैं. सुबह जाके यहाँ बड़ा अच्छा म्यूचुअल फंड सुना, एक्सचेंज ट्रेडेड फंड, फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग. सुबह जाते पहले क्या उसमें क्या चल रहा है, ये चल रहा है. डाउ का क्या हुआ है, सिंगापुर निफ्टी का बोली, या इसका पाल का भाव क्या चल रहा है, इसकी बुक क्या चल रहा है, ये सब निकल जाता है. ये तो 15-20 साल के हिसाब से आप के 5 मिनट का लाइफ का ठिकाना नहीं, 15 साल का कथा है. तो जितना भी बताए, कुछ भी करें, इन्वेस्टर्स की हैबिट जो पड़ती है बहुत ज़्यादा एफएन होगी, फ्यूचर एंड ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग. तो हमने तो जो डाटा देखा है, जैसे फॉर रिटेल इन्वेस्टर, आई एम नॉट सेइंग ए प्रोडक्ट इज बैड, प्रोडक्ट इज नीडेड, फ्यूचर एंड ऑप्शन प्रोडक्ट जरूरत है. तो अभी म्यूचुअल फंड यूज इट वेल, इंस्टीट्यूशन यूज इट वेल, एचएनआई यूज इट वेल, एक्सपर्ट ट्रेडर यूज इट वेल. फॉर रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स, फॉर स्मॉल टू मीडियम रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स, इट्स ए वेपन ऑफ मास डिस्ट्रक्शन, फ्यूचर एंड ऑप्शन. इफ यू आर हैंडलिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट विदाउट एनी नॉलेज, एक्सपर्टाइज एंड बिग पॉकेट, so this is the product which has destroyed lot of wealth. 8 lakh PAN numbers we have witnessed, which have entered in the stock market in the last 7 to 8 years and disappeared within 3 months. 7 से 8 लाख PAN numbers सभी की रिपोर्ट कहती है investors entered in the stock market, secondary market I'm talking. 3 से 6 महीने में दोबारा के बाद उनका कभी दर्शन ही नहीं हुआ. 6 महीने बाद वो PAN number पे दोबारा ट्रेडिंग नहीं आया. कभी BSE, NSE, F&O, कैश, म्यूचुअल फंड. 7-8 लाख इन्वेस्टरों का एवरेज टर्नओवर 6 महीने रहा इस स्टॉक मार्केट में. Reason F&O, future and option, or they have entry into the wrong scripts in the cash market. कौन सा कंपनी अच्छा बुरा ये बहुत लंबा चौड़ा ज्ञान है, किसी के बस का नहीं, किसी को समझ नहीं आता. पैसे एक्सचेंज अवर पार्टीज टू एजुकेट टू द मिनिमम लेवल टू क्रॉस लेवल. म्यूचुअल फंड आर द बेस्ट, नो डाउट अबाउट दैट, नो डिबेट ऑन दैट. म्यूचुअल फंड है तो आम निवेशक को डायरेक्ट स्क्रिप्ट्स में भी इन्वेस्ट करना है, so they run for this small penny stocks, value stocks, tips based stocks. और ये काफी कुछ 10-15 साल में कम हुआ है, बट अभी भी खत्म नहीं हुआ. आज भी इन्वेस्टर उधर ही खा, उधर ही इतना ज्यादा नुकसान बाजार में हो रहा है. इन्वेस्टर नेट में बढ़ते रहे हैं. All these esteemed panelists know only 2-3% people invest in the stock market. I think data was same around 1 decade back also. All the industries have multiplied. टेलीकॉम देख लीजिए, ऑटोमोबाइल देख लीजिए, 25-30 गुना इंडस्ट्री का ग्रोथ हो गया पिछले एक डिकेड में. स्टॉक मार्केट में कोई ग्रोथ नहीं. 2.5-3% लोग पहले भी 10 साल पहले पैसा लगाते थे, आज भी नहीं. ये अपने को सारा इन्फ्लेशन पता है, इतनी महंगाई है, टैक्सेशन है, ये सारे कंसेप्ट सबको अच्छे से पता है. इसके बावजूद कोई विश्वास नहीं बना लोगों का. विश्वास नहीं बना क्योंकि पैसा कमाए नहीं. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पीपल हैव नॉट डन. I'm talking number of investors. Some people might have earned very handsomely, but majority of the people have not earned. 3-4 major reasons: wrong selection of products, not having knowledge, and greed, outright greed. स्टॉक मार्केट में हमारे आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन हो जाती है डबल ट्रिपल 3 गुना 5 गुना 10 गुना। अब ये भाई साहब सारी बातें समझा रहे थे कि इन्फ्लेशन 8% है, इंटरेस्ट 9% है, स्टॉक मार्केट 14-15% देती है, ये दे सकती है, ऑलमोस्ट 14-15% मिनिमम देती है, तो लेकिन वो किसी को पसंद आता ही नहीं। तो स्टॉक मार्केट में आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है 100%, 2-3 महीने में डबल, 6 महीने में डबल या 15 दिन में डबल, इस तरह की जो एक्सपेक्टेशन है वो 100% गलत है। ये ना हुआ है ना होएगा, ये तो फिर वो स्पेकुलेशन है, सट्टा किसी 5-2 आदमियों के हाथ लगता है, 98% लोग गवा के जाते हैं। तो स्टॉक मार्केट को फिर कंटिन्यूसली बैड वर्ड्स बदनामी मिलती है। स्टॉक मार्केट आम लेकर आम आदमी से पूछो जो बाजार से जुड़ा नहीं है, तो जुआ का ना बोलता है, गैम्बलिंग प्लेस है, लीगलाइज कैसीनो है, तो ये कारण हम लोग ही हैं। 2% लोग खाली उस चीज में कमाते होते हैं। स्टॉक मार्केट से आपकी रीजनेबल रिटर्न की एक्सपेक्टेशन होनी चाहिए। जैसे उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा दोनों स्पीकर्स ने समझाया, आपका 8% फिक्स इंटरेस्ट में मिलता है, कोई भी जो फिक्स इनकम प्रोडक्ट है 8-9% से ज्यादा है नहीं, वो भी टैक्सेबल है। सबसे बड़ी बात हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि वो टैक्सेबल पार्ट है। और स्टॉक मार्केट आपको 13-14% भी टैक्स फ्री दे रही है, तो टेक्निकली डबल दे रही है, लेकिन वो किसी को भी डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता। तो बहुत ज्यादा हाई एक्सपेक्टेशन के बाद स्टॉक मार्केट में लोग आते हैं, फिर डिसअपॉइंट होते हैं। और आजकल की जो मार्केट इंटरमीडिएटरी है, जो स्टॉक ब्रोकर है, हमारा ही चेन का पार्ट है, वो भी कुछ ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स प्रमोट करते हैं कि जिसमें कमीशन और ब्रोकरेज का उनका कुछ रीजन रहता है और इन्वेस्टर्स भ्रमित होते हैं। तो ऐसे स्पेकुलेटिव प्रोडक्ट से दूर रहे। ऐसे बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज और हार्डेस्ट एफर्ट टू मेक द कंट्री फॉर द इन्वेस्टमेंट, not for the speculation. Speculation is also an integral part of the stock market, but for the big pockets or the HNIs who can afford a part of risk. बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा है तो ठीक है, थोड़ा सा ट्रेडिंग कर सकते हैं, स्पेकुलेशन कर सकते हैं, पर हर नया आदमी पहले दिन आता है, डिमेट अकाउंट खुलाता है, बैंक खुलाता है, तो म्यूचुअल फंड लेने की जगह या स्टॉक मार्केट में अच्छे स्टॉक लेने की जगह सीधा फ्यूचर ऑप्शन या दूसरे रिस्की प्रोडक्ट, इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग, जीटीएसटी, बाय टुडे सेल टुमारो, ऐसी चीजें, ऐसी हरकतें करते हैं इसके कारण नुकसान होता है और ओवरऑल पूरा सेंटीमेंट बाजार का खराब होता है। ऐसी चीजों से अल्टीमेटली किसी का बुरा नहीं होता, पूरी इंडस्ट्री सफर करती है। अब अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट की कोई डेफिनेशन नहीं है, बट ऐसे लेवल में ये बता सकता हूँ कि नेक्स्ट जो है सेंसेक्स है, निफ्टी सबसे बेस्ट मैनेज जो पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट है मेरे हिसाब से एक्सचेंजेस ऑलरेडी करके दे रही है। इंडेक्स का आपको पता नहीं कितना ज्ञान है। सेंसेक्स की जो फॉर्मेशन होती है, मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन के बेस पे 30 स्टॉक लिए जाते हैं। मार्केट कैप मींस उनका प्राइस, आज की वैल्यूएशन। तो एक्सचेंज अपने आप ही खराब स्टॉक को बाहर कर देती है। जो बड़ा लूला रगड़ा हो रहा था, एक्सचेंज पूरी गोली मार के बाहर